Hi guys, Candace with Ponoka Chrysler. So today I want to show you a 2015 Ram 1500. It's an SLT. Let's take a look. Okay, so this truck is in fantastic condition. You have that 5.7 liter Hemi engine under the hood. Nice chrome grille, looking sharp with that silver. This truck is also going to come with summer and winter tires. I believe these are the winter tires. They're pretty much new. Black running board. Let's go in here to the driver's door. On the door you have your power locks, windows and mirrors, as well as your automatic seat adjust. Gray cloth interior. Step inside. Leather wrapped steering wheel. On the steering wheel on the left you have your Uconnect as well as your dashboard options. And on the right, you have your cruise control. Just to zoom into the center here, give you the exact kilometers at this time, 48,143. So very few kilometers. In the center, you have a nice big LCD screen. You've got your satellite radio still on here. Your controls, your climate, and your phone. And no, we don't want to do that. So back to the radio. Here you have the knob that's going to get you park, reverse, neutral to drive, as well as your four-wheel options just below. And your heating, you can control from below the LCD screen or on the LCD screen. Trailer tow brakes, some storage in the center, as well as a spot to put your phone. Some storage in the center console. Coming around to the back seat, this is a crew cab. So you got lots of room in the back seat. Also comes with some great mats. If you've ever had the cloth ones, you can appreciate these ones. Some storage underneath, as well as storage under the seat on either side. So interior also in great condition. Coming around to the back. Nice chrome bumper with the trailer tow package, locking tailgate, already has the spray-in box liner. Right, that concludes our walk around of this 2015 Ram 1500. If you'd like more information on this truck, you could give us a call at 403-783-5383 or visit us online at ponokachrysler.com to view our extensive inventory. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.